The objective of the video is to introduce document loaders and especially the YouTube loader. We are going to input a YouTube video with the help of the YouTube loader and get the transcribed content. And then the transcribed content, we are going to pass it through an OpenAI model and get it translated. This is helpful to access the YouTube and to get the transcript of the video that we are requesting. To use the YouTube loader, we need to import YouTube loader from LangChain.document loaders. There are many document loaders in LangChain. The best place to look for any documentation is the documentation provided by Harrison Chase in the GitHub. So here we look at the document loaders. Document loaders are basically used to load data from any source. So the various sources that you can load the data from is given in integrations. The entire list can be found here. We are going to make use of YouTube transcripts. To summarize, we are going to import the YouTube loader where the source is the YouTube and the content, which is a document, is the content of the YouTube video. First, we need to create a loader object from YouTube loader. The simplest method is from YouTube URL. We need to pass two parameters. One is the URL of the YouTube, and the second parameter is the additional information required about the video. To load the document, we need to call the load method, and when we try to print the document basically has two information. One is the page content, the second is the metadata. And the metadata that we get from YouTube are the source, the title, the description, view count, thumbnail URL, publish date, length, author. Out of this, if I want to display only the page content, then it is YouTube data. I am looking for the first document, and so I need YouTube data of 0, and in that I'm interested only in the page content. If I do not want the additional information about the video, I can remove the add video parameter, which is false by default. And then I can load the data and I can print the data. In the second part, we are going to use an OpenAI model. So we import OpenAI from LangChain.llm. Then I create the prompt. The prompt is to translate to the given language the text that was returned from YouTube. In the prompt template, I now have two variables. One is the docs and one is the language. And in prompt template, I give the input variables and the template. Finally, I create a chain by passing the LLM model and the prompt. When running the chain, the two parameters that I give are one, the YouTube data's page content, and the second is the language. Here I represent it as French. And then let me print the result. The maximum tokens is set as default of 256. So the content of 256 tokens is displayed. Thank you.